The third tree of this job needed to be removed from the lakeside. The tree is on a hill and leaning towards a lake. The safe sector is quite broad, and the frozen lake creates more space for the stem to fall onto. The boat and the debris make the cutting area a bit cramped, but it is nothing that I couldn't handle. I'll make a shallow face, clean the sides, cut the back, and pull the tree down. Let's see how it goes. Time to aim. Here we go. Timber. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Here is a perfect video for you.